you have to transfer this point on this generator like this, and then you can transfer it to the top view of the cone like this. So now you will get all the points in the front view. The similar way you can transfer all the points in the side view also like this. So this is your generator OE. So where is the OE? This is your O, this is your E. So this point you will transfer on here. The similar way, this is your OF and OD. This is your OF and this is your OD. So these two points will you can transfer it on this generator OF and OD. The similar way you can transfer all the points on the side view. Then after getting all the points, you have to uh, join all the points with the help of French curve. In the earlier problems, there were points and you are joining it with the help of straight line. But here, this is the curve, and for joining the curve, you have to use the French curve. So in the top view also, you get all the points and you join it with the help of a French curve like this. So for drawing the true shape of the section, as you done earlier, you have to draw a new reference line parallel to the section plane, drawing the perpendicular lines to the reference line from the points you are getting after cutting the cone, and then you will measure all the distances of the point from the XY line in the top view, and you can mark it here with the with respect to the new reference line, and you will get the true shape of the section. And again you have to join all these points with the help of French curve because it is a curve. Now the next part is the development of the surface. So this is your cone, and for that you have to draw a sector of the circle. The and for that you have to determine the angle theta. After determining the angle theta, you can easily draw the sector of the circle. And this is your all the surfaces, because I am dividing the circle into 8 parts. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You divide the sector of the circle into the 8 equal parts. So now I will name all the points in the sequence. So this is your point A, because the section plane is cutting the generator OA on point A. So this is your first point. Then again uh, this is your OB. So how will you get the this point distance of this point with from O? Again, this generator is not showing you the true shape of the generator. Like it is like in the previous problem, your slant edge is not showing the true slant length. Similarly, here your this generator OH and OB, and again OC and OG, OF and OD, all these generators not showing you the true shape of the generator. So what you have to do, whatever the points you are getting on this generator, you have to transfer it on the true true generator. So this point you have to transfer on the true generator like this way, and you can now measure the distance of these points with respect to point O. So now you can easily mark these points on the generators. OB and OH. Similarly, you have to transfer the